Hello, this is Professor Quast. Welcome to bana 3363, summer 2015. Welcome to the course. Hopefully you received an earlier email I sent to everyone talking about my warning about the course. This is a very difficult course and it's in a very compressed time period. So you really need to make sure you have a lot of time allocated to this class. Otherwise, it can go downhill quickly and I'd hate for you to waste time and money on a failed class. So again, make sure you have time to allocate. Another theme I'll say throughout the course is make sure you ask questions about the material, because a lot of times students will not understand something, let it go, and then the material will come back to haunt them later in the course because we do have a comprehensive final exam. So again, make sure you allocate time and ask questions. Okay, but again, this is Professor Quast. I'm not going to go through the syllabus line by line. You can do that on your own. So I'll point out some of the key ideas. First off, you'll see on the left-hand side of Blackboard the different areas of information. So the course introduction video is where you're at now, watching this video hopefully. You'll see weekly course materials, and there you'll see for each week of the course the chapter videos and the suggested exercises that go along with that chapter, or those chapters or sections. Make sure you keep on top of that. All the information that you need in terms of the material, the lecture videos, PowerPoints, those will all be included in those folders, so make sure you take a look at those, make sure you're clear about that. But you will see, though, important note, a folder called Week 0. Actually, when you first go to this folder, go to the weekly course materials, you'll only see week 0. And in there, you'll see a pre-course quiz. It has pretty basic questions about the course, how many tests, things like that. But the reason it's there is to help you learn how to use the Respondus Lockdown browser. Okay, so you cannot take that quiz unless you have the Respondus Lockdown browser in use. Take that quiz, answer the questions. Once you do well enough on that, there's 5 real simple questions. Then the rest of the course will be unlocked and you can proceed. But the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to make sure you know how to use that lockdown browser before our first exam. Okay. But again, going to the syllabus real quickly, talking about the syllabus. Textbook is the Keller textbook. Hopefully you've had that from your earlier bana course. Again, the weekly exams, those will be set up. They're going to be open at 5 on Friday morning, be open through Tuesday at 5 in the morning. Okay, so that'll be your window to take those exams. There'll be 4 in the semester, or 4 in the summer, I should say. Only 3 will be graded. Okay, so your top 3 of those grades will be graded. Key thing though is make sure you allocate time and take those exams early in the exam window. Don't wait till Monday night. If you have a technical problem that prevents you from taking the exam and you start taking it, say Monday night, I can't help you. And I won't be able to make that reset your exam for you. So in essence, I would suggest pretending that the exam is due Monday morning at 5 a.m. Let's get that done Sunday night. That way, if you have any problems Sunday, I'll have time to see what happened and hopefully reset the exam for you to take it. Okay, so again, don't treat that Tuesday 5 a.m. exam as really the true deadline. I'd suggest pretending it's 24 hours earlier, especially for the first couple to make sure everything's working on your end. Again, we have those 4 exams, and you'll see we have a final exam. It's going to be open from June 30th through July 1st. So it gives you 3 days to take the exam. You have to take the exam in those 3 days. Again, it's a compressed course. Normally it gives students a bigger window, but that's just not possible with this summer course. Okay. Again, it will be comprehensive, and so it's very important as the semester goes with each grade exam. You look at how you did and look at problems you got wrong. If you don't understand them, let me know. I'm happy to try to clarify, point out what maybe you did incorrectly. But just letting those incorrect questions go and saying, that's annoying, but I'll just go forward from there. That's not the way to do it, because these concepts build upon each other and you'll see them in the final exam. So it's very important that you find out what went wrong on earlier exams and get that corrected before you dive into the next week's material. But again, the syllabus has all the course information, talks about the grades, and the exams are worth 100 points apiece. Your top 3 are graded. Final exams worth 200, and you'll see on page 3 of the syllabus it shows how to go from those point totals to your final course letter grade. Okay. So again, I'm going to wrap it up there. Just want to make a really quick video. Again, do the week 0 quiz. It's just going to be simple questions about the course. You can print out the syllabus, have that next to you. Nothing in depth, just trying to make sure you know how the Respondus Lockdown browser works, and then really dive into the material quickly. You'll see at the last page of the syllabus, it shows the outline and the time frame. So we have an exam coming up this weekend, already on Friday. Opens up Friday at 5 a.m. So again, this course is going to go very quickly, but stay on top of it, ask questions, don't fall behind, and hopefully it'll go well. If it doesn't go well, by the end of the course, you may think I look like this guy, or maybe I look like this guy because you really dislike me. But honestly, I hope the course goes well for you, and I really think it'll be an enjoyable month. So again, have any questions, please let me know. I will talk to you electronically soon.